Hello and welcome to today's lesson. Today we will focus on chaining.
Materials.
The only materials that you will need for today's lesson is a piece of paper and pencil. We have two learning targets for today's lesson. The first learning target says, I can identify the initial, middle, and final sounds in CVC words. The second learning target says, I can read and spell CVCE words with the phonemes t, l, p, o, k, j, n, w, a, and r.
Word work.
Let's make a new word by switching one of the letter sounds with a different letter sound. Our first word is hope. Hope. If I replace the h with the sound r, I would say r, o, p, rope. What if we change the first sound in cone from k to t? What word would we have? T, o, n. Tone. What if we change the ending sound in lane from n to p? What word would we have then? L, a, p. Lape. That's a silly word. We can even segment and blend nonsense words when we listen to all the sounds.
Writing.
Now we will look at more words with long vowel sounds. We will write down our words, so be sure to have your paper and pencil ready. Let's start with the word joke. J, O, K. What letters make the sounds you hear? J, O, K, E. There are 3 sounds but 4 letters. Did you notice that the E did not have a sound? The E is silent. We have learned that each letter in a word does a job. Usually, the job is to say a sound, but the E has the job of telling the vowel to say its name. Watch as we put the sounds in joke into sound boxes. What letter makes the J sound? The letter J. The middle sound in joke is O, but you see that the letter is going to need some help so that it does not sound like ah. The final sound in joke is K. What letter makes the K sound? It could be the letter K or the letter C, but in this word, we'll use the letter K. And last, you'll see our silent E. It's not in a sound box because it does not have a sound. Now write the word joke on your paper. Now let's see how the word changes if we change the J sound to W. W. O. K. Woke. Let's write the word woke. What letter makes the W sound? W. The middle sound in woke is O. Again, the letter O is going to need some help so that it does not sound like ah. The final sound in woke is K. What letter makes that sound? We will use K again here. And last, here's where we put the silent E. It is not in the sound box because it does not make a sound. Write the word woke on your paper. Last word for today. Let's see how the word changes if we change the O sound to A. We have W, A, K. Wake. Let's write the word wake. What letter makes the W sound? The letter W. The middle sound in wake is A. It's going to need some help so it doesn't sound like ah. The final sound in wake is K. What letter makes the K sound? The letter K. There's the silent E telling the A to say its name. A. Write down the word wake on your paper.
Closing reflection.
How does a silent E at the end of a word change the vowel sound? The silent E at the end of a word changes the vowel sound so that it says its name. Continue to listen and look for words that have a silent E at the end. See you next time. Bye.